So first thing we do is take the blue dye into the hot, almost at a boil water. It's all in. And then I gotta get the stirrer.
Stirrer.
Yep. This is royal blue.
But
it's not quite dark enough for our purposes.
So
I need to add some black to it.
Which
We'll make it more of a navy color. That's the color that we want.
And the black he was talking about? Right there. Okay, it's called Rit. Rit? Is that how you say it?
Rit dye. This is
he's going to
Azabash.
do a tiny bit
black.
of black.
And that's enough. Can't overpower it.
Or it won't get the right color.
Again.
And then what about the other color that you said you were going to do?
That comes later when we do the second half. We're only going to dye the top half first. And
in a second, we got the head right here.
alright.
He made it webby. Look webby.
So I'm going to set a timer for 12 minutes.
Should I do it with?
No, that's right.
Okay, he's got it.
Ready?
Press timer to start. And here it goes. He has to hold it because we had no stakes that were big enough.
Okay. You go ahead and we'll come back in 12 minutes. So 12 minutes is over.
Oh. We have about 50 seconds left.
It's coming along well. See?
Yeah, it has that navy color.
Okay.
But, so what he's going to have to do, he's going to have to take it out, let it rest for 5 minutes, and put it back in for 5 minutes. Then,
Go from there.
yeah,
And then that'll be the top half.
he has to wear these gloves.
Ooh.
Look like doctor's gloves, because they are. Kinda. When are we going to go to another game? Grasshoppers game.
Aren't we supposed to go to one with school?
No, that was... Last one I've been to was, I think I was in 3rd grade.
Okay, ready? 2, 1, timer. Okay. So now we get it out.
And it's gonna drip, drip,
Drip,
drip.
drip, drip. And onto
That.
the padding, the tarp.
Yeah, I'll place it that way. Why don't you take this and show it from above?
Okay.
Oh, show the hornets thing. With
You can't really see it,
Yeah.
but it's coming.
I showed the hornets thing earlier, but did not work.
So the webbing spray will all flake off after we're done.
Do you want it to?
Yeah, because what that's doing is keeping everything from getting dyed. You'll see.
Why do you want not every...
Alright. Timer done.
That was the
That's
other 5
off.
minutes.
Second 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that's darker.
He added extra black.
Yep. That's better.
Now he's gonna dab away at it
Yep.
to dry it. Or get the
You can see
water.
the stuff come off. Sorry, it's good. Let it dry. Let it dry, and then I'll chip away the stuff.
There it goes.
And then we'll do the bottom with the gold.
Yes. When? Hello?
Later.
Like later when?
Like later when I'm ready later. Yeah, you can still see the webbing spray still on there, so you can see up there at the top where I've taken a little bit of the webbing spray off and it left the white underneath. So I'm going to scrape that off later.
Show the camera. Where it's white.
There. I just took a little bit off. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Good.
So
what?
trying to get at the good. Trying to show the whole thing.
There you go. Alright. More later. Alright, on to the second half. We're going to do the bottom now.
It is. The colors we have to mix is sandstone and daffodil yellow.
I think it's going to be a lot more daffodil yellow than sandstone, but here we go. Ooh, probably should have shaken it first. Okay, here we go.
Let's see what color. Ooh, that's yellow.
Yes, yes it is.
Very yellow. Wow, that's cloudy in there. That's cool.
Looks like mud.
It does.
Alright,
From
back
our
up a
view, it
little
looks
bit.
like mud.
I
And
mean-
there, it looks like more daffodil. Here goes the mixer.
Okay,
No, I shall open this.
here we're mixing.
Well, I should have shaken it. Ready.
Okay, hold on.
That's bubbles. That's not the actual color, but in goes the sandstone.
Okay, I think that's enough. Just for-
Wow, that was not a lot. Not
No.
not as much as the black.
No, I know. I don't want it too dark. Although, we'll see. It's got to come out like your helmet over there. Like that color. That's what we're trying for.
The tried elite part.
Yep. Not the blue, that color, that gold. It's called old gold. It's still not quite mixed to where I like it.
Maybe a little more sandstone to do it.
I don't want to get too dark. I can always go a little bit darker later after we do the first.
Oh, there's
First one.
two for the bottom as well.
What?
2 dips.
Yeah, 2 dips for the bottom as well. All right, here we go. 12 minutes.
So we also put some stuff on the bottom saying Triad Elite. So after this, he's going to take those off and it'll make like it did with the Hornets thing up top.
All right, 12 minutes. Here we go.
That's far in as it goes.
Yep. It's gonna be called a fade, where that middle section is still white.
And it looks like that on the blue too. Look at that. Looks like it's fading into white a little.
Okay.
Especially
Good
from
mix.
this side. That middle section looks like it's fading into white.
All right. 12 minutes.
Here it goes. Yeah, it's a little on the light side, but
So we're gonna darken with more sandstone in the dye. Let's get from on top here. Yeah, it's way too yellow. We want it more brownish golden. So
yeah.
we shall see.
But yeah, Triad Elite,
Yep.
just like the Hornets thing. But these are black. You remember how those were black?
That's right.
He
So
just,
when we pull these off,
yeah.
it'll be white like the upper side. Cool? Oh, good.
This is the color of what we're going to be putting that in. It was a little bit lighter, if you remember. So this, oh, did not know that was so hot.
Oops.
This
Pardon
is
me.
going to become darker in this, which we hope is going to come out in that.
Fingers crossed.
And if it's not, then, well, that's what we
It
got.
was Colton's fault.
Hey!
All right. Pause.
Dipping in!
All right.
So,
We've got to flip it over because it's been leaning in one direction. Now we'll give it equal time in the other direction. I think the color is just about right. There we go. Now the fade it'll fade evenly instead of disproportionately.
yep. Well,
I'm gonna turn it off. That's good. Won't keep boiling and 2 minutes. All right.
almost time. Almost time. For the end.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining.
Yeah, I think this turned out a little bit darker.
Looks, ooh. It doesn't look exactly like it because I can
Nah, but
see.
it's
I can
good.
see it on the side.
Good start.
It looks like it through the steam, but
it's okay.
not.
It's not. Maybe we went a little too dark. I don't know.
Yep.
Okay.
Kind of looks like it.
No, it's okay. Let it dry. See what it looks like. It's still very yellow.
Yeah, drying will probably.
It's not as buttery as the other one, but that's okay. It looks pretty good still.
There's steam droplets on this one. Can I touch this head?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's actually warm.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird. Probably because it was in the steam, but yeah, you can see steam droplets on either side. Don't touch that end though.
It's alright. It's drying.
Is it hot through the paper towel?
Yeah. About done. Yeah, you wouldn't want to hold on to it for a period of time, but it worked out okay. All right.
That is no more use. Now you are going to string this.
Yes, I am. All right. You can end the recording.